Hi, I'm Tiki Bar Sam, and this is Sam's Tiki Bar. And guess what we're going to make today? I created a drink. I thought, what would happen if I take pineapple juice, Campari, and rum and put it together? What would happen? So then I added that to ChatGPT, and it said that you're basically creating the cousin of the jungle bird. So that's what we're making today, the cousin of the jungle bird. So I named it Tommy because I have a cousin named Tommy, and that's who I'm naming it after. So let's make the Tommy. In my shaker, I have some ice, and we need to put in 1.5 ounces of dark rum. So I have some Goslings rum here. Let's get out 1.5 ounces. If I can open up the bottle. And so then I do that. Let's put in 1.5 ounces of dark rum. There we are. Excellent. Now we're going to need 0.75 ounces of Campari. Pretty sure that's right. Yes, it is. So let's put in some Campari. Now, you know what, you guys? I love Campari. You know I love Campari. I'm into Campari. So, we put that in there. What else do we have to put in? We have to put in 1/2 ounce of lime juice and 2 ounces of pineapple juice. I got 2 ounces of pineapple juice right here. Boom. And then we have to put in 1/2 ounce of my fresh squeezed lime juice that I bought at Wegmans. This is not fresh squeezed, but it still tastes okay. So. Boop. Done. Now, I'm also going to add some 43. 43 is basically just like a simple syrup with spices in it and some liquor. I think it's delicious. Do a little bit of that. 0.5 ounces of 43 Licor. And then what we're going to do is put in some Angostura Bitters. I did 3 dashes. Now we got to shake it. My hands are freezing. Okay, here we go. That there. Now I have this glass. It's a tiki bar mug type thing. I put pebble ice in it. So let's see what this does. Ooh, look at this. Yes, please. Now I just created this drink for this channel. But then with the power of AI, we made it a little bit better. Or AI made it a little bit better. But this is classic riff on a tiki bar drink. See how it tastes. Tommy's a winner. This is unbelievable. Oh my goodness. This is really, it's not too sweet. It's got juice in it. I won't get sick. Usually I get sick, but with this juice, Goya, I'm not getting sick. What movie am I going to watch tonight, people? I'm going to watch First Blood. Or any Rambo movie that you want to watch. I can't stop thinking about First Blood. I love First Blood. I'm watching First Blood. So, please try the Tommy. I just created it. It's a fantastic tiki bar drink. I love it. I know you will love it too. Okay, this is Tiki Bar Sam wishing you a great day and a great weekend. Bye-bye.